You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more of confusing names, pronunciation, stay tuned. It means ancient or enduring, a boy's name, Persian, Arabic, also Irish. Kiaan is the most common pronunciation in English. Do you pronounce it any other ways? I think a lot of people pronounce it incorrectly. Kiaan. It's generally pronounced as Kiaan. Let us know in the comments how you pronounce it, if it's any different. Kiaan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.